Bye-bye. You're so weird.
Congratulations!
Thank you.
We are now Floridians.
Yes.
Yay!
You're so weird.
Oh, happy smile. Life is gonna change. Congratulations to you! You're pumped? You're excited?
I'm nervous.
You're nervous?
Hey! Raindrop, rock top, smoking up, cooking the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up over the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody, quick the trigger. All of the gang and they come and get gang. I mean, you never give you a touch. Bad and bullshit, cooking up with a booze. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got cutters and 100 rock food. My bitch bad and bullshit, cooking up with a booze. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got cutters and 100 rock food. Oh shit.
Alright guys, so welcome back. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. If you're new, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. Now, a handful of people have been asking me where have I been, thinking that I'm on vacation, and where's the charger? The charger hasn't been on the channel in over a month. The last time that you guys saw it, it was smoking up, going crazy. So I'm going to go over the two of them. Now, number one is I no longer live in New York. I actually moved to Florida, and very happy about the sunshine. The weather is unbelievable, and very much enjoying that. Right around 9 months ago, when I agreed to do my twin turbo system, my wife told me that she was going to potentially lose her job because they implemented a vaccine mandate.
The deadline for all NYU Langone staff to be vaccinated is this Monday, September 27th. Vaccination is required for you to continue employment at our institution, and you will be subject to termination if you do not get your vaccine. If you are terminated, you should not assume that you are entitled to unemployment benefits, subsidized health insurance, or that you will be hired by another healthcare institution. You should not count on any of those things. Don't count on continuing your career here if you choose to remain unvaccinated.
And she just didn't feel comfortable taking it with a history of blood clotting and everything like that. So it was interesting because she worked, a year and a half with no issues, and then they implemented this, vaccine mandate, and she lost her job. She worked through her pregnancy and everything, so it blew my mind. Either way, I was fully supportive of what she was doing. I do not agree with someone having the ability to tell you what to put in your body and what to make you do and such. But I was kind of in a difficult position because right around that time I was doing the twin turbo system. I agreed to do a very expensive upgrade to my car, and a lot of people were asking me why I wasn't doing a better fueling system and other pieces to my charger, and it was because I really didn't know what my financial situation was going to be looking like in the near future. So you kind of fast forward, and about 2.5 months ago or 3 months ago, she officially lost her job, and we had to kind of make the transition from New York to Florida. So there's a period of time where you're paying rent, you're paying a mortgage, so the charger had to really take a back seat for quite a long time, and that's why a lot of people were getting a little bit frustrated with my channel, is because I really wasn't doing anything with the charger. And behind the curtains, or behind the scenes, I was really trying to work through this process with my wife. And now we're in Florida. The two boys are here. Shane just started school. Mason is loving the sun and everything. And the charger is still back in New York. I still have it. I'm not getting rid of that thing. I've told many of you guys that thing is going to the grave with me. So don't worry about that. if within the next couple of months, I will try and figure out a way to get it down. I've already priced out a couple of places that do transporting, and it's about $1,200 to get it from New York to Florida. So that's something that's very doable. Really the biggest hiccup is the parking situation where I'm renting. We already have 2 cars, so I have to figure out, you know, what the deal is with having a 3rd car in this location. But in the meantime, guys, I'm going to be doing a lot of drag racing footage, and you know, pretty much the bread and butter of this channel anyway is Mopar news. You know, CUDA videos, Ghoul videos, and you know, just pretty much any kind of Mopar news. So I'm going to stick with that, and then once I get the charger down here, we'll continue down the modding route. I have a couple of things that I have in mind for the charger. We got to get that steering wheel on. We're going to look into a Hellcat transmission and upgraded fueling and see where that takes us. But in the meantime, guys, I really do appreciate all the support. Without you guys and my family, this transition would be impossible. So I always appreciate you guys, you know, watching the videos, liking them, subscribing, and all that kind of good stuff. So living in a free state is absolutely amazing. I certainly recommend it. It's amazing.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking up, cooking the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, dot. Cooking up, open the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody, quick the trigger. All of the gang and they come and get gang. I mean, you never get you with my bad and bullshit. Cooking up with a boozy. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got cutters and 100 rocks too. My bitch is bad and bullshit. Cooking up with a boozy. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got cutters and 100 rocks too.
2, 3. One, 2, 3.
I tell that bitch to come for me. I swear these niggas is under me. They hating the devil keep jumping me. Can't run on me, keep me company. Hey, who did the most? Yeah, pull up and goes. Yeah, my diamonds a choker. Holding the power with no holster. With the ruler, diamond cooler. It's a ruler, not a mule. Dabbing on them like the usual. Had you with the brick do booty. Side with a bad bitch, and I still live it through Google. I'm young and rich and plus I'm bougie. I'm not stupid, so I keep the Uzi. Records on records, get backers on backers, so my money making my back.